Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and build a streak on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search the application, and you can go ahead and find the official ladder application. And once you've done so, you can go ahead and download and install it. So once you've installed it, open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From there, the first thing we can do is open up the theme section right here in the bottom right corner. That's going to enable us to go ahead and select what theme we want to go ahead and be a part of. So go ahead and filter out the themes, find which one suits you the most, and start following its workouts right here. And now we can go ahead and build a streak. So to build a streak on the Ladder Fitness app, you need to complete at least 3 workouts per week. So you can spread these sessions out or even double and triple up in a single day, as long as you log 3 sessions by the end of the week to keep your streak alive. So here you're going to go ahead and be able to see your workouts and your calendar where you have all the workouts you're going to be doing every day, and you can go ahead and spread them out however you prefer. So Ladder requires a minimum of 3 completed sessions per week to maintain your streak, so keep that in mind. You have to be active and you cannot make any pauses, and you cannot do any rest days because you are going to go ahead and need those 3 workouts per week to complete your streak, and it's automatically going to be granted to you, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.